Hi, I am Mooji with Mooji Truck Sales, and I would like to show you this beautiful 2019 Ford E-450. And I'm gonna, I'd like to be honest and straightforward about everything that this truck has, my whole experience with it, driving it. I don't want you to buy anything that is not gonna work for you. I wouldn't sell a truck that I wouldn't sell. And so let's try to have fun showing you this truck. And I'm gonna tell you a couple tricks that I have learned about trucks as I am selling them. So I'm just about to start the video. All right, here she is, 2019 Ford E450. This is just like a U-Haul truck. So pretty much same specs. It's a gasoline. It doesn't have any problems, no check engine light, no oil leaks. It's already past the smog. And this truck is a clean title. As you can see, no damage on it. Uh, you will also see it doesn't have a lift gate, so it has a ramp right there. So this would be good for a moving business. If you're trying to start a moving business and you don't know where to start and how to start, this would be a cheap way for you to get started. And 174,000 miles, not horrible. I think this truck could probably get you up to 300,000 miles. And let's see, it's a 14-foot box. And here's a trick for you. If you want to know the specs of the box, there is a plate right here. It says 14, 0, ignore the 0. 85 is the height and 96 is the width, and that's going to be inside the box. So as you can see, very clean box, and it has that little side door, so you can access the back from the front. Beautiful ramp right here. And it's a California truck. It doesn't have any rust, as you can see, and it has the original catalytic converter. So that's the muffler right here. This is the catalytic converter. Oh, I need to show you. All right, let's see. Here you look. This is very important. So somebody's selling you one of these trucks and somebody stole the catalytic converter and they didn't replace it with the original one, you might not pass your smog. And those can be pretty pricey here in California. You know, they want to make sure everything is original and all of that. So just keep that in mind if you want to try and buy one of these U-Haul trucks from somebody off the street. Just make sure that you check that. The tires are not wearing evenly. As you can see here, it's kind of not so deep, and here it's deeper. So this is probably explaining why when I was driving the truck, he was giving me a little bit of a shake on the steering wheel. So I would change the front tires. See, this one is better than the other one. I would change the front tires, or at least one of them. These are the big back tires here for you. As you can see, the body is very clean. It doesn't have any rust. Let me show you the interior. Very clean right here. As I said, it's just like a U-Haul truck, pretty much the same thing. And it's a V10, and I know that's gonna be crazy here in California with all the fuel and it's a V10. It's a six-speed, 10-cylinder, 174,000 miles. I'm gonna open the hood for you. Power locks, power windows, and power also mirror controls. And it's the AC is working. It gets pretty cool in here. You need that out here in the hot weather. And it has a backup camera. As you can see, pretty nice truck. So I think pretty much we're coming to the end of this. I am based out of uh, Palmdale, California. It might be quite the drive for you, but it's gonna be worth it. I'm pretty straightforward about what I got, and I'll give you a warranty on engine transmission for about a month. Most people don't tend to give, especially if you buy it off somebody off the street, they're not gonna give you any warranty. It's as is. So you know, I can't give warranty on the small things, but I'll give a warranty on the big things. Like I said, engine transmission. I don't want you making the investment. That's the water from the compressor for the AC. So it's not a leak. There's no leaks right here. So here it is. There you have it. I don't want to make this too long for you. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm in Palmdale, California. I'll give you your plates with tags, and I'll do the registration for you. And unfortunately, we're gonna have to pay the tax on this thing because it's you know, that's how it goes here. We don't want to have any problems. And there you have it. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.